On March 24th, 2020, the Government of India called for a lockdown because of COVID-19. As everything from the markets to the schools shut, we turned to the online for our solution. An entire year after the first lockdown, amidst the second wave, the government cancelled the 12th board exams and introduced an ad hoc evaluation scheme. For many, the CBSE boards are the basis on which they apply for colleges. But the cancellation of board exams left graduates with a sense of uncertainty about their future. We need to be better prepared to safeguard the futures of those we consider our country's future. We talked to 8 students and 2 professors to understand their experiences with education during COVID-19. Satisfaction of getting the grade by writing an exam is more than just getting a grade. If the students have varied interests and the professors value a holistic evaluation, wouldn't colleges benefit from holding a centralized, integrated knowledge and skills test? We designed ICAS to have 3 sections: knowledge-based, cognitive ability, and social and emotional learning. The knowledge-based section is designed to dig deeper and understand the student's knowledge in a subject. There are game-based questions in the cognitive ability section that will be timed to 1 to 2 minutes. Here, the opportunity cost of cheating would be their precious time. In the social emotional learning questions, there would be multiple correct answers that are subjective to each student, eliminating the need to cheat. ICAS can be taken on your laptop or on your mobile phones as well. This way, the students with minimum infrastructure in any nook and corner of India can easily access it. The test is a perfect fit to fill the void that cancellation of exams has created, and it will help students be self-aware about themselves. It is a no prep, no cheating test designed to evaluate students based on knowledge and skills that they have developed so far. Through ICAS, we are trying to sustain the educational and intellectual standards in times of pandemic.